There's a spider right here on the on the fender, guys. I don't want to kill it. I'm gonna see if she'll be kind enough to get up. She made a spider web and everything last night. But sorry to ruin your art, but I'm gonna have to get you out. All right. Whoa. There you go. Ooh, that's a big one too. Oh no, don't get on my truck. Come on. I don't want to fight you. That's a big old spider. There you go. I gotta put her somewhere safe. That's a big old spider. Put her right here on the green on the green box. There you go. Don't come to me. There you go. Whoa, that's a big old spider. Alright, you're lucky. I'm not a killer, alright? Go find you another home, okay? I gotta go. That's the spider right there. Alright, she's sorry. But yeah, I'm getting ready to leave, guys. I gotta check the oil on this truck. And we're finna roll out. I still gotta go pick up Greg. He's the only one working with me today, guys. So let's get to it, guys. Let me see if we're getting footage, guys. I'm trying to adjust the camera. That's how I have the camera. I don't have the chesty thing, so that's how I have it for right now. All right. So hopefully we can get some footage, guys. So let's see what happens. All right, let's keep loading up the chairs. All right, guys. So we're here at the location. We're gonna pick this one up. Got my boy Greg working with us today. On the right, Greg? All right. So check this out, guys. We already got the cone set up. We're gonna get this. Greg, go on, get that dolly out. He finna get that dolly out so we can pick up this bouncer. After this, we're gonna deliver the same bouncer to another location. So let me help this guy out, right? Hello. All right, guys. So this is our first pickup, and then we're gonna drop this off to the next location. All right. Got my boy Greg. There we go. So we're gonna get the chairs first, Greg. We're gonna get the chairs first, and then the bouncer's gonna be the last. So let's load up the chairs. So yeah, we're gonna take care of these chairs first, then we'll take care of the bouncer, concession stands. That's gonna be next too. First the chairs, then the concession stands. Now stack them up right, Greg. Stack them up right. That goes backwards. Put it backwards. Yeah, he's still learning. So I got the chairs right here on this dolly. Greg gonna grab those by hand. I'm gonna take them to the trailer first. Normally you're supposed to strap these up, guys, so the chairs won't fall, but we have no time. Plus I don't even have a strappy around with me. I don't want to drop these chairs, then start all over again. As you can see, guys, I got the cone set up so we won't get ran over. We are using the 6x10 trailer today, guys. I know it needs a wash. All right. Well, he was my only backup, guys. So I couldn't get the other guys to work, so I had to use Greg today, guys. So I had no choice to use but Greg. And all right, Greg. We had no choice but to use Greg today, guys. All right, Greg. Now you gotta give me the chairs. Pass me the chairs. All right, give me those two. How many we got left? Two? Two more?
Two more.
Two more.
Go get the last two.
All right. Take the dollar with you, Greg. All right. So, we're going back to the backyard, guys, and get the rest of the stuff. Let's do it. We're gonna go ahead and get the concession stands. All right. Oh yeah, I forgot, guys. We still gotta get those tables. We got tables that we gotta pick up. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and put this concession stands. First, load them up. So what? Fold the tables.
Alright.
There's supposed to be four tables. What? Get the black one first.
Alright.
Black table. All right. I don't want him to get the popcorn machine because he might drop it. And I just can't afford buying another machine, guys. Not right now. See this?
Yeah.
Slide it down. Slide that one down. All right. Now hit this. Hit this like this, and it's gonna fold. Like that. Yeah. Trying to show the young fella how to work. Make sure this thing is up so you can grab them. Just like that. Yeah. There you go. That one, two. Close it. So we got 3 tables. We already got 1 loaded on the truck, guys. All right. I got to clean this up real quick because we got to deliver this one today. Do y'all want the popcorn or do we throw it away? No? Okay, gracias. All right. Just put all this stuff inside. Butter. And let's see what else we need. We got the scoop. All right. so. Now you hold it from right here so it won't fall. There you go. What?
Wheels too.
We can lift it up, it'll be faster if we just lift it up like this. Watch the step right here. All right. So I have to make some room, guys, for this popcorn machine. We're gonna take the head out. Now, since this is glass, I'm gonna put this inside the truck, and this goes inside the truck. All right, got it? All right, you got it, Greg? Let's do it. Bring it to the middle. Right there, right here. That's good. Take some of these dirt out. Got it? Come on. Come on. There you go. A little bit more. Right there. That's good. Clean it up a little bit. Clean it up a little bit right there. Yeah, that's what happens when you don't use a tarp, guys. Yesterday we was rushing and we forgot the tarps. So we laid this bouncer with no tarp, and this is the consequences that we get. Dirt. All right. So this is what I call double working right here. And now we gotta clean this bouncer by hand. And the problem is that we still gotta deliver this today. So we're gonna have to do a quick cleanup. All right. Let me help Greg out. All right, guys, so I'm about to start folding. You see that? Now y'all see, guys, why it's important to have tarps. Bouncers get dirty fast. This is just more work. Normally when you put a tarp, guys, you don't have to do this type of work. You don't have to be cleaning the bouncer as you go. But lesson learned. All right, guys, so from right here, I'm gonna go ahead and roll it up so we can go to the next appointment real quick. This is the only thing we gotta load to the trailer, and that's it. So let's get it. All right, guys, so Greg said he can lift it up himself. Strong man right here. There you go. He wasn't joking when he said he can do it himself. All right. So just get that blower, Greg. That's all we need. Yeah, I think we're done. All right. Just help me push it. Push it back. 1, 2. Oh, this way. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and get the Lysol. It's 3 towels. All right. So that's it, guys. We're done with this. Now we're gonna take this, deliver it, give it a nice little cleanup, and Greg's gonna get the blower. He's getting the not the extension cords, but towels and the Lysol. Extension cord is theirs, Greg. It's theirs. It's theirs. Oh yeah, unplug it. Okay. So you can see, guys, they had the piñata yesterday. Thank you. All right. A little tight over here. Push that gate open, Greg. We got it. We got it or what?
Yeah. Got it. Got it.
Okay, I just want to make sure you didn't stab. All right. All right. Thank you. All right. Oh, too close. That's it, guys. We are done. All right, guys. So everything's loaded: chairs, tables, concession stands. All right. So let's go to the next appointment and let's get it. All right, guys. So just letting my customer know that I'm heading her way. We got down at 12:32, as you can see. Well, 12:30. Everything's loaded. It's a good time right now, guys. Everything's loaded. So the appointment is really at 2 o'clock. So we still got plenty of time to clean that water slide, well, the bounce house. And yeah, we're gonna head up this way. And let me go ahead and GPS the location, guys. And I got my helper right here, Greg. You like the job?
Yeah.
So far, so good, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So after we drop off the Princess, then we're gonna go pick up the Ninja bounce house, guys, and we'll be done for today. All right.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, you already know. Let's get to it. All right. It's been a pretty good day, and we are ahead of time right now, guys. So let's get it.